Give me a wahoo. Good work, good work. That was my first rodeo. All right, dude, nice start. Take a wahoo on my bait all day.
Woo! Nice.
Good work, man.
Hell yeah.
Awesome start. Look at that hook. That's all that's in there.
Try to let him run again?
Yeah. Yep. Sandforce, so the whole body and feels like sandpaper.
Yeah.
We don't know if it does jump, if it got wrapped. No, it's just jump.
I seen one of the others go.
I mean, let's do the jump at the same time when he's running. There's big fish.
Nice.
That calf, someone hand that to me.
Here you go.
You're gonna come on this side, give it to him. Don't tap the fish, you're just trying to scoop his bill. It's not even hooked, dude. Look at this.
Holy shit, this is like a slip knot.
Put it around his bill, hurry up, and just pull the bill up. All right. Wow, dude, I'm not kidding when I say buy a lottery ticket. Look at, you see where the hook is?
Yeah.
It's not even in it. There it goes. All right, you can put the gaff in the rod holder, put the